Morning guys, kagigising ko lang. Actually, wala akong tulog na naman. Nagising ako ng alas 12 na madaling araw, tapos sobrang gutom na gutom ako, pero hindi ako kumain. Ang ending, wala na naman akong tulog. Parang, pinipilit ko lang yung sarili ko makatulog. So, yung katawan ko parang gusto niya magpahinga, pero yung utak ko gana ng gana. Ngayon, yung feeling ko is sobrang wala, pagod lang. Mata ko, dry na dry. Katawan ko masakit, walang tulog. Normal ba yung ganitong hindi nakatulog? Sa unang mga linggo? Pero kasi ang taas kasi nga ng dosage ng progesterone ko. So, nafe-feel ko na yung mga side effects niya. Hindi ko na siya gusto. So, kapag na-schedule na ako ng appointment for ultrasound, tatanungin ko yung aking doktor kung pwede babaan yung dosage ng progesterone ko. Talaga. Baka magkasakit na ako nito dahil na to. Pangalawang linggo na akong walang tulog. 2 weeks na ba ako walang tulog? Kailan ba ako? Oo, kasi nung kaka-transfer naman sa akin ng embryo, okay ako, nakakatulog ako eh. Tapos 1 week. Tama ba? 1 week bago yung aking blood test. Ano ba? Hindi ko na maalala. Basta alam ko sobrang tagal na akong hindi nakatulog na maayos. So, ayan. For breakfast today, gawa tayo ng scrambled egg. Pinapainit ko lang yung pan. Wala akong mapaglagyan ng camera. So, kailangan natin humanap ng lagayan ng camera. Yung pwede dito. Para ang hirap. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Dito ko nilalagay sa lagayan ng mga ayan, pans. Minsan. Pero kasi sagad na sagad siya. Yung parang tatama na yung ulo niya. Luto na yung ating scrambled eggs, guys. Si Sumit pala naliligo. Ayun. And meron akong nakitang, ano na? Yung camera ang gulo. May nakita akong garlic bread dito. I'm pretty sure sa akin yan. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng mag-garlic bread si Sumit kasi hindi yan gluten-free. So, initin ko ulit. Frozen kasi ang aming garlic bread. So, dinefrost niya na yan kanina. Ayun. Ganun ako gumawa ng breakfast. So, madalas ang aming breakfast nowadays ay itlog, scrambled egg. Para may protein. Kasi, di ba nagtatry kami ni Sumi? Yan yung mga nabasa namin na dapat kainin. Mga protein daw. So, yan ang madalas namin kainin. So, today na lang at saka tomorrow ang ating pasok. Tapos na naman yung linggo. Di ba ang bilis? Kahapon sa trabaho, di ba biglang, okay ako pumasok eh. Tapos nung pauwian na, sakit na naman ng tiyan ko hanggang puson. So, hindi ko alam kung magagampanan ko pa ba yung pagtatrabaho. Kasi ang plano ko sana talaga is magtrabaho ako hanggang 6 months ako. Yun talaga yung plano ko. Kasi ayoko rin naman magstay sa bahay. Anong gagawin ko? Wala namang kasama rito sa bahay. So, ang liit-liit ka ng bahay. Walang magawa. Yung aming landlord din lagi nasa bahay. So, hindi ako masyadong makalabas. Nahihiya kasi akong dumandaan dyan sa may harapan. Ay, ayun. Nakwento ko na to dati. Hindi naman sila natingin. Or, wala naman silang pake. Pero kasi, parang feel ko na pinapanood nila ako tuwing dadaan ako. Tapos titignan ko anong bit-bit ko. Ganyan. Ako lang naman to. Wala naman sila sabing ganyan. Pero feel ko lang. Pero depende sa sasabihin ng doktor. Kasi hindi ko na nakwento to kahapon. Baka siguro ayaw na rin sabihin ni Sumite. Kasi usually, sasabihin niya sa akin, sabihin mo kung ano sinabi ng nurse sa'yo. Ganyan. Di ba nga kasi nung 2 days ago, sobrang sakit ng puson ko na hindi ako makalakad habang nasa trabaho. Tapos kahit sobrang busy na, ang bagal-bagal ko. Ang bagal ko gumalaw. Hindi ako makagalaw na maayos. Tapos nakwento ko ngayon sa nurse to kahapon kasi nga kinongratulate nila ako. Nakita nila yung blood test result ko. Sabi nila, oh, congratulations, buntis ka. Ganyan. Kumusta yung nararamdaman mo? Tapos sabi, kailangan mo pa rin gawin yung blood test mo today. And then after namin matanggap yung blood test mo from today's blood work, i-schedule ka na namin for ultrasound. Sabi ganyan. Sabi ko, okay. Tapos sabi ko, by the way, sabi ko ganyan, 2 days ago, which is 3 days na ago from today. Sabi ko ganyan, sobrang kirot ng puson ko na hindi ako makalakad. Tapos sabi niya, do you feel it more on the left side, on the right side? Or like, is it like central? Sabi niya ganyan sa akin. Sabi ko, few days after the embryo transfer, sabi ko, mayroon ako naramdamang mild cramps na left side, tapos right side, sabi ko ganyan. Hindi siya isang side lang. Pero yung 2 days ago na cramps na naramdaman ko, sabi ko, buong puson ko siya, sobrang bigat, sabi ko ganyan. Tapos, hindi ako makalakad, sabi ko ganyan. Sabi niya, sabi niya ganyan, next time, sabi niya, kapag nakaramdam ka ng ganitong cramps, you'll have to call us, sabi niya ganyan sa akin. You might be having miscarriage, sabi niya sa akin. Or ectopic pregnancy, sabi niya ganyan sa akin. Tinext ko kagad si Sumit nung right after nung call. Hindi ko na natawagan si Sumit kasi mag-start na ako sa work na. So, mabilis ang type lang. Tapos, ayun nga, sabi ng nurse sa akin na kapag naramdaman ko daw ulit yung cramps na ganun, tawagan ko sila. Baka daw nag-miscarriage na ako, sabi niya ganyan. Sabi niya, pero dinugo ka ba? Sabi ko hindi, walang dugo. Sabi niya, okay. So, that means, concerning siya kung ganun yung sabi sa akin ng nurse, diba? Normal ba yun, nagka-cramps? Kaso nga lang kasi, pag sinearch mo yan sa Google, Alexa, turn on the lights. Pag sinearch mo yan sa Google, especially nag-IVF ka, normal ang magkaroon ng cramps sa IVF kasi nga ang dami mong injection, tapos nag-egg retrieval ka, minor surgery yun eh. Di ba nga 2 araw akong maga ang tiyan na hindi makalakad. So, kapag sinesearch mo siya sa Google, kay Dr. Google, sabi, pinapagalitan ako ni Sumit kahapon eh. Sabi niya, pwede bang pag may nararamdaman ka, wag mo na i-search. Sabi niya sa akin. Kasi, mas maaano ka lang dyan. Sabi niya, mas mag-aalala ka lang sa mga nararamdaman mo. Dito na pala kami kakain straight. Hindi ko na siya ililipat kasi dagdag hugasan. Marami na akong hugasin. Ayun. Sabi niya, huwag mo na i-search. Sabi niya, basta samain mo lang ng loob mo, tapos iisipin mo lang yan. Ayun, sabi ko, yun yung sabi ng nurse kahapon eh. So, ayun, tuloy. May iniisip na naman ako ngayon. Normal ba yung nararamdaman kong sakit sa tiyan? Or hindi? Pero nga kasi iba yung case ko eh. Hindi lang ako buntis. Nag-IVF kasi ako. Ayun, so while I'm eating, gonna be watching yung aking favorite series ngayon. Na Lincoln Lawyer. Tapos na maligo si Sumit. Tapos, kain ako ng biskuit. Kasi yung gutom na gutom ako. Ay, nakalimutan ko na yung may tinapay. May tinapay pala ako. Pero gusto ko yung biskuit. Gutom ako. Pwede bang kumain? ng maraming pagkain. Timpla lang ako ng kape. Gumawa pala ng guys, si Sumit kahapon. Yogurt, kaya meron kaming blanket dyan. Kain naman na ako guys.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. No, not my channel. I don't have my channel anymore.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to your channel.
No, it's fine. I disabled it.
Dinisable na pala.
Yeah. As we told you guys, last year we were just trying to focus on our personal life and our personal goals. And because we were trying to focus on those things, and I don't want to bother ourselves too much because we also need to try for the baby, right?
Mm-hmm.
You agree? That's the reason why I disabled my YouTube channel and Facebook. So far, we don't have the blood test results yet, and most probably it's gonna be by afternoon around 2 p.m. I have an appointment for, what do you call that, 24 hours Holter monitor test. So they're gonna attach some machine and something to my chest to make sure that I don't have any heart issues and all, because few months ago I was experiencing palpitations, but it could be because of anxiety and all. We were trying for the baby and we were preparing for the IVF, so it could be because of that, but we are not sure. So the doctor said, why don't we do that test? But the issue with that is they're gonna attach the machine to my chest, and I cannot shower for 24 hours because that test takes around 24 hours to get all the data, the readings and all. So it's gonna be mobile kind of thing, like small machine. They're gonna attach it somewhere with so many wires, and I can wear my clothes again. I can go do my daily activities, and the next day 2 p.m. I need to go back, and then they're gonna remove it and check the readings and let me know if something is wrong or everything is fine or no. So I cannot shower, and the other thing is I'm a little hairy guy, so I had to shave in the morning today. Like, I shaved my chest, my tummy and all, and I show it to Faye, and she goes, oh my god, what happened? You have a nice tummy.
Ang ganda ng tiyan niya guys.
6 packs.
Kala mo tiyan ng babae.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng tiyan niya. You wanna show it later?
Yeah, maybe once I have the machine.
Sabi ko.
But it's gonna be scary for mom to watch,
Oh yeah, sabi
But
ko.
actually, there is nothing wrong. But our family doctor, she just wanna make sure that there is nothing, sinister going on. Yeah, something like that. So, which is good. Our family doctor, she's nice, Dr. Rawson.
Yeah, yun. So
She
nung
always
nakita ko
take
yung
care
tiyan
of
niya after nag-shave, sabi siya, ang ganda ng tiyan mo. Sana all.
Oh my God.
First time ko siya makita na walang buhok sa tiyan.
Yeah.
Like,
All
he shaved his chest before.
Yeah,
Like, few times. That one I saw. Not
yeah, for the tattoo. I remember.
the entire chest area.
Not really.
Basta ibang parts lang ng chest niya. Pero this time nakita ko first time na wala siyang buhok everywhere. Tapos yung tiyan niya, first time ko wala nakita na walang buhok.
Yeah, if you guys wanna see, that's gonna be extra charge.
Hello.
Okay, please. No, I'm just kidding.
Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, sana all.
Extra charge for that, okay? Yeah, I'll do pole dance also. No, I'm just kidding.
Everyone will start running away na.
They're gonna start running. Oh, what is that? Save your life. Yeah, so I'll show you guys later. Maybe I can record when I'm going to the hospital. It's a different hospital. I have never visited that hospital before. Yeah, so it's gonna be my first time going there also. I'll leave around 1:30 because it's close to my kitchen. Yeah, the appointment is for 2 p.m. So it's gonna be fine. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so pasok na naman tayo.
Too much
Kahapon, kala ko busy kami sa work, pero medyo naging slight busy kami pala. At first, hindi busy, biglang nag-busy. Slight lang naman. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba nangyayari. Pero usually kapag maaraw, automatic yan, busy kami.
So guys, I'm here for the 24 hours Holter monitor test. That's Mount St. Joseph Hospital. I hope it's not too busy inside. I don't want to wait too long. Yep, let's see what they're gonna do to me today. Third. So guys, this lady was nice and she explained everything very nicely. She gave me this paper, so if I feel anything, any symptoms, what time, what activity I did, and everything, she said just write it down, and tomorrow around 2 p.m. come back. It's gonna be a little scary to see, but I'm just gonna show you guys like this. Ooh. Wow, look at that. And this is the machine here. Yeah, it's just to monitor the heart condition and all. I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah. Mama is there. Mama. Mama. Never killed a man. Hello, Mama.
Hello, Papa. Someone's a daddy na.
Yeah. My machine things, it looks so scary. Oh my god.
Really?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you later. Right? Tired?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How's this?
Really good. You should try it. I was like, when I drank it, so shocked. See, luckily I left. Delivery is coming in.
Oh.
Guys, delivery namin. Ganito ka bibigat ang mga binubuhat namin. Ayan, sakto kakaalis ko lang.
It just came in.
Yeah, it's coming in. So they're gonna
That's
have...
a lot.
Yeah. Yung sako-sakong bigas.
Yeah.
Mga...
You're lucky. Just kidding. So many cases. Who's gonna lift that?
That used to be my work, guys.
Because you work whole day, right?
I get to go home early na.
Yeah.
So no need to do all the... yung keeping all the things. And I cannot lift anything heavy anymore.
Anyways, yeah.
So whenever
There
I
is
need-
delivery.
I asked someone to do it. I mean, my job is to manage, right?
Yeah. Now, I mean.
Yeah. And to tawag dito, divide the task,
Yep.
assign it to someone.
Yep.
As long as the operation's good, I'm okay.
So,
Yeah,
the
guys.
new blood test report.
Yeah, guys, it has come out and it increased
Yeah. It
a
was-
lot.
Yeah, it was
151.
151 first,
Now it's...
and then now 200 something, 40. I don't know.
Yeah, guys. So, sa first result na ginawa namin sa blood test, it shows that I'm on 3rd week. But now it shows that I'm on 4th.
Fifth.
Fifth na?
I mean, it shows that you're pregnant.
Yeah, guys, and then we
I
received
mean, we are pregnant. Sorry.
we received another message from the
Clinic. Yeah.
clinic. Yeah, so it is, I think, already confirmed. But
Yeah.
I still wanna see the ultrasound itself before I... Just to make sure it's in the right...
I'm telling you, it's okay. Everything is fine.
Yeah, but It's different, guys. When you're doing blood test, it only shows number,
Yeah.
and like when you're doing the pregnancy test,
I
it's gonna show you two lines and it's positive.
Yep.
Or if you're doing ultrasound, it's gonna say you're pregnant. This blah blah blah.
I understand.
So yeah, I wanna see the ultrasound first, or maybe I can do I wanna try doing the pregnancy test now. When it become positive.
Of course, it's gonna become positive.
After all the negatives, like it's gonna be so nice to see a positive pregnancy test. Yeah, I think
But the
I'll do that.
ultrasound you're talking about, that's gonna be after, some time.
No, the early pregnancy test, they're gonna book me.
No, I think you should check the message. So ultrasound,
Mhm.
I think, I don't know, maybe I'm not sure.
No, it shows the early pregnancy ultrasound will be booked soon. She said that someone will be contacting me soon. I'm thinking tomorrow.
Mhm.
They usually do that.
Okay.
So it says, right, the office will be in contact soon to arrange your early pregnancy ultrasound, it says.
Mm-hmm.
And then continue your progesterone. And then I can also do the prenatal screening if I want to.
Hmm.
There's like a prenatal screening that we can do if we want to. I think it's like
What
to
is
check. I think to check for any genetic problem or something.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, we can do that early pregnancy. So if you wanna abort pregnancy or like continue or something, like if it's too much, that's what they're saying.
Oh.
But my early pregnancy ultrasound is gonna be like, I think next week.
Next week?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Ang advance na ng technology, no? Mayroon ng mga like there are like tests that you can do. Actually, for IVF too, we could have done the genetic testing too before they transfer the embryo.
Mm-hmm.
If we wanna know if like there's any ano ba yung mga abnormalities,
Mm-hmm.
yung mga ganyan.
But we didn't choose that.
No, you have to pay extra for that, like a lot of money. So now they are recommending on our 11th to 14th week
Mm-hmm.
we can do the genetic testings.
Okay, let's see next week.
Yeah, I mean we can freely browse their website to see
Mhm.
what are the options.
But it's fine. I mean, are you happy?
Very happy.
So I'm happy. That's the most important thing. And everything will be fine. Everything will be alright. Don't worry.
Guys. Ayun. Today I'm fine.
Yeah?
No tummy aches or no cramping, but like I only felt it once or twice, but it only lasted for seconds,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was fine again.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it just
That could be the bloating from the progesterone.
Mhm. It depends on the day.
Yep.
Sometimes I feel so much cramping. Yeah, today I'm fine. I can go for like long walk,
Yep.
play badminton. Hey, look at the sky. It's so beautiful.
So nice.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm just calling to book in your 7-week ultrasound.
Sure.
Yeah, I got the great news from our nursing team.
Yeah.
So you'll be 7 weeks on the 16th. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna see what availability we have. Just give me 1 second.
Sure.
Will you be available on the 17th?
Yeah, at what time?
Okay. Does 12:30 work for you, or do you want something a bit later?
Do you have anything later than that?
We can do 1:30, 2 o'clock, or 2:30.
2:30. 2:30.
2:30? Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. So this is the vaginal ultrasound, so you don't have to have a full bladder.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. We'll see you in a few weeks.
Yeah, see you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too. Bye.
Bye.
So,
Yeah. I mean, I could make myself available. I'm part-timer now, but I don't
No,
know.
that's what I was thinking of your schedule.
Ah,
I mean, you can still work,
yeah.
but you're gonna finish around 1:30. That means, or
Mhm.
maybe 1.
Yeah.
You can only work till 1,
Ah, I can tell. I mean, yeah.
right?
Yeah, I'm a
Yeah.
part-timer now, so I can just.
You can do whatever you want.
I cannot work on this day, or I can only work on this day from this time to this
Yeah.
time.
Just say 10 to 1,
Yeah.
and then we go.
So guys, see, I
See,
told
we
you.
were just talking about
They're gonna contact me soon. They have booked my 7th week ultrasound. Wow.
So fast.
So fast, 7th week. Ilang weeks ba to? Nasa 7 na tayo. 42 weeks I think in total. So fast, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like telling myself,
I forgot that it's closed here. Need to go straight.
I was telling myself like I wanna enjoy being pregnant
Hmm.
because I might experience this only once.
Let's see.
Let's see. So this one experience everything and enjoy it. You're not amazed about like
I am.
how we can get pregnant
I am.
and how we can create life inside,
Yeah.
right?
So good. So good experience.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I just wanna enjoy it. I know like there are days where it's gonna be hard, but like once I start getting the morning sickness, I actually started getting headache yesterday, and then like right now I have like very mild
Mild.
headache. Yeah, it's just the starting. Guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Tingnan natin yung nilagay sa katawan ni Sumit.
Yep.
Ayan, wait lang, may nagawa siya.
Scary.
Let's see it.
Scary.
Ay, oo nga. What's that?
May pasalubong.
Yan yung tiyan niya, guys. Kanina nag-shower yan kayo na umaga. Like in the morning, I could see that he has like line over here. Pag ganyan.
Hindi.
And you have to wear that. And they said you can do any activities or...
I can. Just regular activities. Whatever I want. Till tomorrow, 2 p.m.
Sana all maganda tiyan.
See?
Nag-shave siya.
Yeah, oh my god. So many of these.
Yeah. Sabi niya sa akin kasi kanina, kapag hindi daw siya nag-shave tapos tatanggalin niya yung mga tape, sabi niya para daw siya nag-waxing. Kaya sabi niya, sige, i-shave ko na nga lang. Actually, they didn't tape you much things because they gave you this,
Yeah.
your ID.
My new ID. Provincial ID. No, I'm just kidding.
Nakabag pala yun. Kasi yung picture na nakita namin, sobrang daming tape eh. Punong-puno ng tape. So, ayan. Kain na kami. Sabi ni Sumit kanina, kain daw kami mamaya na lang. Sabi ko, baka magising na naman ako ng madaling araw na gutom na gutom. Kaya kain na tayo. Tapos, bago matulog, baka uminom ako ng gatas. Kasi kahapon, di ba nga, parehas kaming bloated. Nag-antay kami. Ano ba, kumain kami ng breakfast? Oo, kumain kami ng breakfast, diba? Kaso wala na lunch. Tapos, alas 7 na kami kumain. Eh, kasi nga, iba yung feeling ng tiyan ko. Yung lagyan ko lang ng konting pagkain, busog na siya, ganon. Ngayong nagpo-progesterone ako. Konti lang yung nakain ko kagabi. Nung madaling araw, gutom na gutom ako. So excited for this food again, guys. Beef. Ayan, prepare lang namin. Tapos kain na tayo. So guys, kakain na naman tayo ng masarap na pagkain.
Yep.
Yum. Yung cut kahapon is different from today's cut. What was yesterday? I forgot.
Beef shank.
Beef shank. Tapos ito is
Roast.
beef roast.
I mean, sirloin.
Mas malaki siya. So excited!
It is good.
Really good. Yay!
Try first and let me know.
I
I'm
already
pretty sure.
tried it yesterday.
No, I mean this piece is different, right?
Ano siya, you know, it's really, what do you call it?
Tender.
Tender.
Because I cooked it for almost 2.5 hours.
Tita Hirata. Is that for baby?
Okay, try.
Yum.
Huh?
Really good.
Good, right?
Guys, sobrang sarap talaga.
The gravy is so good.
It's gonna be nice with mashed potatoes too. Sumit's mashed potatoes are really good.
Secret.
Sobrang sarap.
Secret recipe.
Ano siya, restaurant style. Mas pag pinartner mo tong gravy, sarap. Really good, right?
Good.
Punta kami dun sa spec shop kung saan namin nabili yung Meta glasses. Kasi magpapapalit ako ng kanyang frame. So yung nakuha kong frame is for low bridge. Tapos ano siya, shiny black. Sobrang hirap niyang linisin. Mahirap siyang i-maintain na malinis. Like all your fingerprints will be imprinted talagang ganyan. Like,
even if it's your hands a little bit oily or sweaty or something, oh my god.
guys, tapos ano niya, ang dami niyang maliliit
Even the
na
small scratches,
scratches.
you can see very fast.
kahit na, like, I didn't use it much. I always just put it in the case. But then, like, what if you see it, you check it up close, there are so many scratches. So, gusto ko yung mat na parang kay Sumit. Yung mat kasi mas madaling i-maintain. Hindi siya tawag dito,
Look at that.
nang masyadong print, tapos wala ring scratches.
Yeah, the mat is fine.
Yung downside lang kasi, guys,
Yeah, it's
Isang-
gonna be high bridge.
isang model lang kasi ang merong low bridge. Pangu tayo, di ba? So kapag high bridge yung suot ko, malalaglag siya ng malalaglag. Pero anyways, okay lang. Hindi ko naman siya laging ginagamit. So, nakakairita rin yung mga yung mga scratches. Meron din silang spider webs dito sa Vancouver. Hindi lang siya sa Pasay.
You don't really see it, right?
Because they're usually nasa siya, sa back, nasa alley, nasa likod bahay. Spider web tawag dyan ni Sumite. Sa Pasay kasi sobrang daming ganyan.
God, yeah. What if something goes wrong and
Like which one to fix?
the person who comes in to fix it, oh my god, that's the most difficult job
Yeah.
in the world.
Yun sa Pasay, matindi.
Yeah. You don't even know, oh my god.
Sobrang dami.
I think it's the same thing in New Delhi.
Guys, ang ganda ng view. Kaso ang tagal ng camera. Wala
That's
na.
why the Meta glasses are better, right?
Wala na siya.
You just press the button and it's right.
Wala na yung magandang view na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo.
So,
Ayun,
what did
guys.
you order?
So, ayun, nag-order na kami. Same headliner, Meta Glasses Gen 2, pero matte version na siya, tapos high bridge. Kasi yung nose ko very matangos siya.
I said if we have issue with the new pair, we'll just change the nose.
Oh yeah.
And he started laughing.
Change my nose to something higher.
Something else.
Yeah, that's
Put
even
the plastic
better.
one.
Ito yata yung magandang view. Kita nyo ba? Hindi pa rin. There's no really major difference when it comes to the low bridge or high bridge. You won't actually notice it at first, not unless someone tells you, oh, this one's made for low bridge people. And that's when you're gonna notice, oh yeah, it fits better. Because I was like trying all the meta classes, and then the sales rep came to me and then he told me that, oh, I would recommend the low bridge for you since you don't have the high bridge like me. Sabing ganyan na lalaki.
Yeah.
And then he let me try.
Yeah.
And then now try if it touches your cheeks. Sabi niya ganyan sa akin. If it rests on your cheeks. And how does it feel like? Ganyan. Nung sinabi niya gano'n,
Then you
that's,
started noticing.
yeah,
oh,
that's when I
Actually,
realized.
it's a little better.
Probably not gonna happen.
So many of them.
Yeah, but I mean, he's happy on the formula, so that's good. We've switched him back to stuff he was on before. They said it was literally just like after
And look at the moon. It's already out. You see?
Huh?
See the moon?
Moon. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I woke up too early today. It was 5:45 when I woke up
Yep.
because I had to remove a lot of. I had to do the harvesting. No, I'm just kidding. I had to shave my chest, my tummy, prepare for this digital ID. No, physical ID. Sorry.
Katatapos lang namin maglakad, guys. And tingnan nyo yung bundok sa kabila.
So nice, right?
Yeah, it's bright actually on the camera.
This camera.
But it looks better in real kasi madilim na tapos kita mo yung mga ilaw. Hindi pa siya yung 100% dark. Pero madilim na, maliwanag lang sa camera. Ayan, maganda rito pag gabing-gabi na talaga. Tapos makita mo yung ilaw dyan sa may mountain. So tara na guys, ang haba ng nilakad namin. I think we walked for like,
For almost 1 hour plus.
yeah, so it's around like 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers walk again. Para
Really good.
yeah, for me and the small thing. So, uwi na kami. I forgot to take my fish oil with food.
That's fine.
Dito kami sa supermarket, guys. May bibilhin lang kami. Yung sa cilantro. Tapos bibili kami ng gatas. Kanina nasa elevator kami. Sumit, show it. Iya siya ngayon. Naiiya siya ngayon. Kanina nasa elevator kami.
What if I do like this? Kaboom! No? Everyone.
Pinapakita niya sa akin. Sabi ko, kaboom yan. Mukhang ano eh, no? Oh, show it na, bilis. Show it na.
Kaboom! I'm just kidding. They're gonna run. Oh no!
You're too shy right now, ah. Just now in the elevator, you're out of control. Tapos bibili kami ng gatas. Medyo mahal yung...
Pizza?
Yeah. Wanna cook something with chicken? Mahal yung mga karne dito eh. Dito kami sa May City Market. My milk or your milk?
Yeah.
Ito yung gatas ko. Tapos, lolo.
Kaboom! Everyone runs.
Tapos yung gatas ni Sumit.
Food. Should I buy?
Yeah.
Oat milk?
Yeah, try oats.
Really? I don't really like
Ang iniinom niya is ano? What do you drink? Soy milk. Soy milk, right?
it's fine. Not my favorite.
So you don't want? Here's, I can take this.
Ooh, they have chocolate.
Yeah,
Oat milk, but chocolate. What?
I'll hold it. Get it.
Which one? Original, unsweetened, original
Try the chocolate for some.
chocolate. Huh?
Yeah, for a change. Okay na, tara na.
What else?
That's it. Wala. Okay. Wala na siyang kamay. Blueberry.
You don't like?
It's nice with berries
Yeah.
mixed.
That's all.
That's it. You want more?
I thought we bought so
Show the kaboom.
much.
Show the kaboom.
Huh?
Show the kaboom.
Kaboom.
Hiyang-hiya ka. Eh,
Just kidding.
hiyang-hiya ka ngayon.
Run, run, run.
Oh, bago pa. Hiyang-hiya siya. Kanina, todo siya pakita ng kaboom niya. Ow.
Tired already, right?
Super tired.
Feel tired.
He's ano,
Very long walk.
he's having pregnancy symptoms.
Your door is open, is it?
Nope, it's not open.
Maybe it's mine. Yeah.
I lay down and I play dead and I stay